So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have 3 scoops made of refuse, just trimmed off. It was once a rectangle and I just trimmed it off. 3 of those. My residual pan, or my reservoir pan more likely. And I'm going to do a combination. Whoa, that does not belong in there. I thought I blew that out. But I'm seeing stuff. This is my Anita's White Metallic. It makes a great base. It's inexpensive, and everything I put on top of it floats. So far. That is the amethyst. Oh no, come on. That's not happening. Come out. That's not fair. I just mixed paint. That is the Hot Orchid from Color Art, and I'm not giving up without a fight. I want that in there, and there's nothing going to stop me except for you tuning out. Boy, that's frustrating. I'm not starting over. I could, but I'm not. All right, I have it. I was going to say I think, but it's causing me some kind of trouble. Well, I'm just going to move on. That is a color shifting green gold from Folk Art. There's a little chrysocolla from Color Art. I'm going to grab a little bit of the emerald green from Folk Art. I'm going to keep wishing I could get that Hot Orchid open, but maybe I'm not supposed to. You know? Sometimes you just got to let things go. This is, I can't believe I still have some of this. This is some Mysterious from Art Minds from, like, I don't know, going on 8 months ago or so, I'm guessing. What else? I think some more amethyst, because the first batch pretty much disappeared. I am also contemplating, where are you, turquoise? It's called Cobalt Blue, and it's a metallic, and it's from Artist Loft. And it's very, very, very turquoise and very beautiful. And I think I have almost enough paint. And maybe I didn't need any more of that Hot Orchid than I thought. Let's put this down here. All right, I can get to it. And grab my 12 by 24 inch canvas. Now every time I scoop something up, I'm going to start with a little one. I wipe the bottom off. Because they're usually fairly unnatural looking plants, it doesn't matter. If I have some uneven strangeness, I'm just going to keep going. Contemplating or rethinking my strategy. Putting another one of these close to the bottom. Originally I just wanted to make some foliage, some stems and some foliage. I'm going to drag that right down because I can. I'm going to use a wider one. Looks like I have more than I need. That's okay. I think I'm going to use this right here. Grab some more. See what I've got and what I want to do with it. Now I have a plan to add some flowers. And I think I'm just going to try and use my residuals up. As little bits of fresh foliage at the bottom. Because as I let the contents relax out, and I can even just dip some of that. I like making those little speary things. Like so. They add some great texture. And put one more. And I might have to drip right over the edge to do it. I want some more of that hot orchid. Hopefully I don't have too much. As your little puddle form, then you have something to drag out. I don't know how any other way to say that. So far so good. I suppose I could probably add a few things afterwards, so it shouldn't be a problem. But I'm having kind of a good time, so it makes it really hard to stop. So far so good. There's a small amount of patience required while you wait for the residuals in your little shovel or scoop. But you could use a sand shovel, a child's sand shovel for this also. Okay, now I want to say now comes the fun part, but I'm not sure yet if that's going to be true or not. I'm going to cover that paint up and let the rest of it sort of fall down onto my Lolafuse silicone mat. And grab my gold. And anywhere I put a flower that I don't have a stem, I will add one. 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need a 9th one or more. Let's just start with what we've got. I had the amethyst in my hand, and it is right there. If you have questions or you need to know what colors I'm using, please just ask me. I'll do my best to tell you. Come on. It was open when I used it a few minutes ago. I wonder if I have a similar color. I think I do. Very similar to the color that was there already also. Nothing's opening that I want. Okay. Well, we'll just use whatever's handy then. That's the color shifting red from Folk Art. And now, hopefully, things go well. And I'm going to drop some Amsterdam Black with pre-stain wood conditioner from Minwax in it. My cell activator recipe is below the video. And I'd like for this to work. I don't think I'm going to make any petals. Woo! Head rush. Wow. And there we go. And whatever else I need, I could put some green or some whatever color I want. Which might be green. I think green would be fine. Green color shifting. Just grab a little tiny bit of green right there. Maybe a little bit more than a little tiny bit right there. just think less is more when it comes to putting the stem in, when all the paint is still wet. I say that, but okay. So that's time to tell you guys that I do sell my artwork, and if you have an inquiry, use the email address you will find when you click show more underneath the video, right under that first blue link, which is the link tree, which will also take you to my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. It'll take you via the Shop Now button to pixels.com and Fine Art America also. My Legalerist link has beautiful clothing. It's investment quality clothing, dresses and the like. I think I just want to link that up. Not sure why I feel like I have to. Probably should have left it. But it's nice to know I can, if I want to. Alright, if I fiddle with this at all, after you're gone, you'll forgive me. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Make sure I got all of my flowers attached to stems. I might be tempted to put in a couple of little buds. I might put a few more sprigs of whatever they are up from the bottom. And if I'm not satisfied tomorrow, I'll put more flowers in because it was on a dry canvas anyway. So I'm going to turn this sideways. Those of you who have a tablet will find it much easier to look at. I'm going to zoom in if I can. Yeah, I like this. They're leggy. They're graceful. Alright, I love you guys. Make sure you know that there's a monthly drawing. And if you're a contributor through PayPal or Patreon, you can find those icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. You'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing included in my exhibition video at the very beginning, most times. And that exhibition video is in the last 20 seconds of every video. Yes, I want to fuss. And I probably shouldn't fuss and try and talk. So make sure you know I have 2,000 videos, and you can find them by going to playlists, all playlists on my YouTube channel. My community board will take you to tomorrow's video. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. Questions are fine. Please ask me. Shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. Thank you for the wonderful comments you leave me. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I love you guys. Thank you. Don't forget the thumbs up. Share my videos if you can. Watch them longer. That's the biggest help of all. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio